Here is our case expression. We use our case expression to make out queries where we are going to be having multiple conditions, and then we have our case expression to be if, else, when, and then we can have it in different ways. So let's say, for example, we want to select case, then specify which column that we want to select or make a case. We have salary. We want to select from salary, select a case. Then here in case expression, we provide an expression to whatever columns that we are trying to deal with. So let's say now we have the salary. Now I want SQL to tell me if anybody is earning 20,000, tell me that it is the person is a low earner. And then if the person is earning about 50,000, tell me that it is high earner. And then when it is not both of them, when it is not 20, when it is not 50, tell me that the person is just an average earner. So that's what I want SQL to do, and that's what we use the the case expression for. So we have the select case salary, and then I have when 20,000, then tell me that the person is high earner. And then when 50,000, I don't forget that SQL is not case sensitive. So when 50,000, then tell me, okay, when 20,000, it should be low earner, and then when it is 50, tell me high earner. Okay, see, and then if it is something else, tell me that the person is average earner. Then this is where my case expression ends. So I have to put end. Now don't forget that select. This is my case expression. I forgot to add end. All of them are part of case expression. So this is my case expression. I'm only ending my case expression. Select, I've not specified where I'm selecting from. So select from now SQL class. That's what I want to select from. Select from SQL class. If I should run this, see what it's going to do. Now you can see telling me that the first person is a low earner, the second person is a high earner, and then the third person is an average earner. So that's what we use the case expression for. Now we can say that we now have a column name. There's something we call an alias. So we use the alias to specify the column name that we want to provide, the new column name that we want to provide. So I can say end as, you can just put this, and as maybe salary gauge. I just because salary gauge. So it means that you should select from this table. Select from this table as a salary gauge. Select the case, the salary when 2000. Tell me this. When this, tell me this, and then end my case expression as this. Then from the SQL class, that's the table. So I have an error here. So yeah, select case when SQL as salary from SQL class as salary gauge from SQL class. Select case expression. Okay, between the salary and the gauge, don't forget this space. The column name do not take this space. Yeah, that was a mistake. So if I should run this, as you can see salary name, I'm now having a column name. So I mean salary to be salary gauge, salary gauge, and then I have if I should run this again, so you can see I have salary gauge. Yeah. So this is where we'll be stopping in this class. Sorry for the breaking from the case expression was broken from the normal class because of the limit that I'm currently having on YouTube. So In the next class, we are going to be looking at the joining of tables, how we can join tables in Microsoft SQL Server, the inner join, the self join, the right join, the left join, all of them we are going to be looking at, and then the aggregate functions in Microsoft SQL Server, how we can work around some mathematical function using our power, raised to power, the square roots, the percentage, a lot of them. So the maximum, the minimum as well, just like we have it in other data analytics too. So you can don't forget to follow me on Twitter at IBN_WITTIG, and then at Learn with Wida, and also invite your friends to come and learn data analysis, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then comment, like, and then share as well. Thank you all for joining, and then see you in the next class.